Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, I'm gonna make some fish sandwich or fish burger, and I'm gonna use salmon and shrimp. It's gonna be loaded, okay guys? So let's season up these bad boy, and I'm gonna do it jerk, okay? And I go in with about a teaspoon of jerk seasoning, another teaspoon of my blended seasoning, and I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon of olive oil. All right, now we're gonna add some fish seasoning, about 2 teaspoons will do. All right, I'm not gonna add any salt because there's salt in the fish seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder, same for the onion powder, and that's it guys. We're not gonna overdo it. And the next thing, we're gonna put some black pepper, about half teaspoon, and we're gonna go in with some paprika for some color. I want to sprinkle it all over it like that, something like that, and you just want to mix it up. Then look at this goodness. We're gonna come over here, we're gonna mix this one, pour it. All right, just gonna mix up this. Have you ever tried jerk shrimp, guys? And then you can just put it over the other and just kind of mix it up. All right, now we're gonna fry up this now, okay guys? I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's good. I'm gonna fry up my shrimp. The shrimp, I'm gonna give them like 2 minutes on each side, and the salmon about 3 minutes on each side. All right, or 3.5 minutes. I'm gonna take out the shrimp. All right, while this side gets a little bit more fry up, I have some onions. I want to caramelize them in the goodness here. Just saute. Look at that. Saute it a little bit, so them a little bit soft, not too much soft, just a little bit. Put these one side right here for a minute. All right, my peeps, so I baked this bread. All right, kind of sweet bread, and I'm just gonna set it like this. All right, and we're gonna turn the stove off. All right, so bread can warm up a little bit. Now we're gonna make the sandwich. Set it right here. We're gonna take a piece of the salmon. I'm making 2 sandwiches. I'm gonna set it on it like that, and we're gonna go in with some of the onions. Oops. Gonna set some shrimp. Gonna add some cheese, optional, okay? I'm gonna add some lettuce. I'm not gonna put too much lettuce on it, okay guys? A leaf will do for this little piece. Something like so. And I'm gonna add some cucumber. Ooh, don't fall down. I serve it up with 2 slices of avocado. You can go ahead and tap on the avocado if you want. I have this sweet chili, because I'm not going to use anything on top. I'm just going to pour a little bit, like right here. This is my jerk salmon shrimp burger or sandwich, okay? All right, my peeps, you have a good day. Bye guys. All right, my peeps, so this is it when I stack it together, and I hold it with one of that little skewer or cute. Look at the goodness, guys.